Hello and welcome to the Savera. This is Tinkle before you. Well, a relief from the scorching is on cards as per the India Meteorological Department on Tuesday said that there is possibility of light rain in the national capital and many northern states including Punjab and Haryana in the next 3 to 4 days amidst challenging weather conditions across the country. IMD scientist Soma Sen, while interacting with media, said that red alert has been issued in North India. Northwest Himalayan region of India including Punjab and Haryana will experience cloudy weather from evening and rain is also expected. The heat wave situation is likely to reduce in Punjab and Haryana from tomorrow. Orange alert will be issued in Delhi. There is possibility of rain in Delhi, which is called pre-monsoon showers due to southwesterly winds in the next 3 or 4 days. Heat waves can be reduced. This discomfort which you are feeling indicates that moisture is increasing in your area, Sen added. Meanwhile, the extreme heat wave continues to push Delhi's power demand northwards. Well, according to the state load dispatch center data at 3:22 p.m. on Tuesday, Delhi's peak power demand clocked 8,647 megawatt. It is the highest ever in the history of national capital. Delhi's peak power demand clocked 8,000 megawatt for the first time on May 2022 of 2024. Since then, Delhi's peak power demanded has crossed the 8,000 million mark on 8 occasions. Before the records of 2024, Delhi's previous high of 7,695 megawatts was recorded on June 29 in the year 2022. Last year, Delhi's peak power demand was less than 7,438 megawatt. Tuesday marks the 30th day in a row when Delhi's peak power demands has crossed 7,000 megawatt within the 2024 summer season. Delhi's peak power demand never crossed 7,000 megawatt during May 2023 and crossed the 7,000 megawatt mark in May only once in 2022. The IMD said that heat wave conditions are likely over in many parts of the country on June 18. Heat wave to severe heat wave conditions are likely to over in many parts of the Uttar Pradesh and some parts of Haryana, Punjab, Delhi on 18th June 2024, and heat wave conditions are likely over the isolated places in Jammu division, Himachal Pradesh, Chandigarh, Rajasthan, Bihar and Jharkhand. Well, that's all for now. For more major updates, stay tuned to the Savera.